So this is lesson number 22 in Algebra 1, and we're going to just kind of go through this pretty quickly. One of the things I do want to make sure you realize is when you have a statement that has an equal sign, a not equal sign, a greater than sign, or a less than sign, you've just made what is called an algebraic sentence. Other than that, that's pretty much what they're talking about in that first part of lesson 22. And just a couple more things in this lesson, and I'll let you go. One of the things that I need you to realize, too, that's very, very important is when we replace the variable with a number. So if you look at 22.1, it says, does negative 2 or positive 5 satisfy the equation x squared equals negative 5x minus 6? So what we're going to do is we're going to plug the negative 2 in for x. Whoops. And see if that's true. So that's positive 4 equals 10 minus 6. So 4 equals 4. So negative 2 works. Okay, so let's go back and look at positive 5. 5 squared equals negative 5 times 5 minus 6. 25 equals negative 25 minus 6. 25 equals negative 31. That is not a true statement. So therefore, negative 2 is a solution, but positive 5 is not. Alright, so one of the things about negative 2 is it's called a solution, but it's also called the root of the equation. That is a very important concept to get, because when you get into college algebra, we're going to use the word roots, the roots of the equation. That means what are the answers, what are the values of x. So just kind of throw that out there now so that when you hear the word root, it's not something like you've never heard of before. All right, example 22.2 is very similar to what we just did. It is asking if negative 2 or 5 is a root or an answer to this equation. So we use negative 2, and again, remember, whenever we are replacing a letter with a number, if there's a negative sign with that number, we just put it in parentheses. Whenever you're replacing an x, put the whole number in parentheses, and then we put a 2 on there because the entire negative 2 is representative of x. We have to put it, so we have to square that negative 2. Minus 3 times negative 2 equals 10. So I have positive 4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay, so negative 2 works. So let's try 5. We've got 5. Again, put it in parentheses. So 25 minus 15 equals 10. 10 equals 10. So both of these end up satisfying that equation. They're both roots of the equation. All right, so that's it for lesson 22.